Okay, you should now have everything you need set up. You should have some basic knowledge on how to control your web browser. So I'm going to set you a little challenge here. Let's delete everything that we've done so far, and feel free to go back if you need to, but your challenge is to go to the test page here, lazyautomation.co.uk /lazy.html. I want you to go to that. I want you to type your name into the text field. I want you to then click radio button B, check goodbye. We'll skip clicking the links, that'll take us away from the page. We'll deal with going back and forwards at a later date. I want you to select option B from the drop down, and finally click hello world. Okay, if you want to pause the video and try that out, and if you get stuck or you can't quite work it out, then feel free to watch the rest of this and I'll take you through how to do all of that again from scratch. Good luck. Okay, hopefully you managed that. Let me just take you through how I would do it if I was doing that. So first of all, we want to go to lazyautomation.co.uk /lazy1. So let's, first things first, we want to make sure that we have access to our Selenium library. So Selenium -webdriver. We then want to create an instance of the browser. So driver equals Selenium WebDriver 4, and we are using Chrome. Right, and we want to navigate to a website, so driver.navigate.to space, and we want to go to http://lazyautomation.co.uk /lazy1.html, and let's just run that to make sure it's all working okay before we carry on. What have I done here? Did you mean Selenium WebDriver? Of course I did. Of course I did. There we go. That's why it's a good idea to run your code often while you're writing it. Cool. Next, let's have a look at our challenge here. So the next thing we wanted to do was to enter your name into the text field. So let's just grab the browser here and just have a look at that text field. So inspect, oops, let's make that a bit wider. So the ID is text field 1, and we want to put our name in there. So let's do driver.findElement : and we're going to find it by ID, and the ID is text field 1 dot, and we want to send it some text. So when you send keys, and I'm going to send it my name, Adrian. And what was the next challenge after that? Click radio button B. Where's that? Right click radio button B, inspect element, ID B. So same again, but we're not going to be sending keys, we're going to be clicking it. So dot click, and the ID is B. Check goodbye. Where is our checkbox? Goodbye. Inspect. There's no ID for this one, so I'm going to have to resort to using the name. The name is goodbye. So let's just grab that. And we'll do driver dot find element colon name comma space, and the name is goodbye. And we want to click that. Next, we want to select option B from the drop down. It's the slightly more tricky one. So it's drop down equals driver dot find element, and we're going to use the ID, and the ID is, let's have a look, right click inspect options 1. Let's just copy that, pop that in there, and we want an option equals Selenium WebDriver support select dot new, and we're going to pass in that drop down that we've just created, and option dot select by, and we're going to select by, let me just check the options that we've got here. So what did we say we're going to click? We're going to select option B, and the value is B. So colon value, and the option is B. And we are now, what's the last thing that we had to do? Click hello world. Right, let's look at this one. Hello world, inspect, IDs hello one, easy enough. Driver dot find element, and we're going to find it by ID. The ID is options 1. Oops, not options 1. Copy and paste error there. The ID is hello world. And oh no, it's not, it was hello 1. Dot click. And at the end of that, I'm just going to put a sleep in here, just so that we can check and validate everything. I'm just going to make that sleep for, I'll tell you what, let's do 8 seconds. Let's mix it up a bit. So hopefully this should work. It's going to navigate to our site. It's going to type my name into the text box. It's going to select a radio button, a checkbox. It's going to select something from a drop down menu, and then it's finally going to click a button, and then it's going to pause for 8 seconds, and that's it. And then our script will have completed running. Let's see if this works. Oh, there we go. That was very quick. You can see Adrian B, goodbye's checked. It selected option B from the drop down, and you can see there it said hello world, so it clicked the button. If you managed that all yourself, then well done. Give yourself a pat on the back, and I'll see you in the next lecture.